You've heard of real estate investment trusts. You may have even seen some bus stop signs or signs on buses offering 10, 12% return on your investment. These are very lucrative and guarantee your return. They are good investments, but are they the right ones for you? Let's find out. Most REIT investments are pretty straightforward business models. They acquire properties and collect rents, then distribute it to their shareholders in the form of dividends. With mortgage REITs, it's the same process, but instead of acquiring the property, it's the finance of the property that is treated as an investment, and then in return, given off to their shareholders as interest payments. Now, I'm sure most of you are sitting there thinking, is this a good investment for me? It really depends on your lifestyle, needs, wants, and risk tolerance. If your end goal is to reach a high level of income in a short time frame, REITs may not be the right option for you. However, the risk tolerance with going with a high amount of income in a short time frame is higher. REITs is more for the passive investor that has a lot of money sitting in their bank account and wants a higher return on their investment through REIT investments. It's more passive and hands-free with a lower risk tolerance. However, I strongly believe in diversifying your portfolio. If you're over-leveraged with properties and can't take on any more mortgages, REITs may be a good option for you to just park away some money and collect a return without taking on the liability of a loan. This is Chandra from the Chandra Real Estate Group, and I'm going to share my top 3 pros and cons of investing in REIT investments. The first positive point, high dividend yields. Since 90% of the dividends earned from REITs is taxable, it isn't uncommon that you yield a higher interest on these funds than you do on your typical stocks. If stocks are performing, for example, at 2%, the REIT investments can go up to 5% or higher in return on investment. REIT funds can be a lot more lucrative than average stocks with a safety net backed by real estate. On the flip side, REITs can fluctuate in return on investments. They are very dependent on interest rates in the market. If interest rates go up, the property values tend to die out, which results in less returns to the shareholders. What's a con? Potential high risks and fees. There are many factors that affect a REIT fund. Property values, debt, geography, interest rates, things that can be out of your control. So do your due diligence and read the fine print. Many times they'll hide the fine print that covers the transaction fees, the management fees, which result in low payouts to the shareholders. Don't be hesitant to learn more about the fine print and read about the acquisition fees, the management fees, amongst all the other costs. Another advantage of investing in REITs is the opportunity to invest in Class A commercial properties. These are multi-million-dollar properties that you could simply not buy just single-handedly. You're able to get a piece of a big pie and be part of a big movement. Imagine having a stake in hundreds of data centers, apartment complexes, or shopping malls. REITs are often a long-term investment. If you plan to get access to your funds in the next few years, REITs may not be the right investment for you. The reason being, other than interest rate fluctuations, there are many factors that play a role on the REIT value over a short time frame. Never put your money into a REIT fund if you know you're going to need the funds within a short time period. REIT can be a great hands-free investment option if you'd like low risk and just collect passive income. However, if you're looking for a higher return on investment and don't mind a bit of a higher risk tolerance, then I still stand by the traditional brick and mortar properties that you can actually buy, touch, and feel. For more information on how you can get a higher return on investment by buying residential and commercial multi-residential properties, click on the link below to book a call with me directly, or you can simply download the link for my free buyer's guide that will cover a step-by-step process on how you can avoid the potential pitfalls in today's market and buy your next property stress-free. I'm also curious, what are your thoughts about REIT investments? Do you invest in them? Are there any specific ones that you found useful? Please comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the bell. Until next time, we provide results that move you.